South Australia is home to some of the world's largest deposits of critical minerals. The state contains 65% of Australia's copper, graphite and zircon, as well as halloysite, cobalt, rare earths and magnesite. As global net zero commitments drive unprecedented demand for critical minerals, South Australia is looking for innovative companies, startups and entrepreneurs to help unlock the state's riches. Thinking Critical South Australia is an exciting international challenge run by the South Australian Government and Unearthed, designed to develop the critical minerals sector in South Australia. The aim of the challenge is to attract talented innovators and companies from around the globe to help develop the state's critical minerals processing and manufacturing capabilities and benefit from South Australia's critical mineral riches.
South Australia has enormous potential for critical minerals. Through our Thinking Critical South Australia Challenge, the South Australian Government is encouraging entrepreneurs and innovators in the critical minerals value chain to establish here in South Australia. Featuring world-class critical mineral potential and supported by a state government committed to developing innovation, business and entrepreneurs, you will find South Australia the perfect place to do business.
As part of the challenge, participants will be encouraged to submit ideas and proposals to help foster South Australia's burgeoning critical minerals industry. Thinking Critical South Australia represents an outstanding opportunity for innovators to firmly establish and grow their business in South Australia's flourishing economy. As part of the challenge, a total of 5 finalists will be able to leverage attractive incentives from leading industry bodies and organisations to help support and grow their businesses. These include marketing and promotion support to connect with potential customers and professional networking opportunities, introduction to the critical minerals ecosystem, and setup support, including office space, access to research facilities, and more. In addition, the 5 finalists will win a cash prize of $50,000 each. Winners will also join the dynamic South Australian business community, whilst enjoying an unparalleled lifestyle in beautiful and prosperous South Australia.
Unearthed connects governments, multinationals and businesses to a global community of innovators to help solve technical challenges and develop internal capability. The Thinking Critical South Australia Challenge is an exciting initiative for leading entrepreneurs, startups and innovators to position themselves for the surging demand in critical minerals. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to establish and develop your ideas in the heart of the dynamic and prosperous South Australian community. To find out more, please visit our website.